Hello all, it's Jolene. Welcome back to the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jolene. I am from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I sew and design all of this modern farmhouse home decor and make it right here in my basement. Just before Christmas, I put a soup bowl cozy sewing tutorial up for this soup bowl cozy. And in that video, I had a lot of people asking me for my sewing kits, and I had said, yes, I will make the sewing kits. I didn't get around to it before Christmas. I did do the sewing kits before Christmas, but I took them to my Christmas markets and I didn't put them up on my website, so you guys couldn't see them. But essentially what I'm telling you is I now have the soup bowl cozy sewing kits, including the chicken fabric that you guys all loved from that previous video. So this video is not a tutorial showing you how to make the soup bowl cozies. I will have the video linked to this one, but this is just to show off the kits. So the soup bowl cozy that you can make is made of cotton fabric. I use coordinating fabric top and bottom. They are reversible. And if you're new to soup bowl cozies and this is a new sewing project for you, essentially it has to be made with cotton fabric, cotton thread, and cotton batting. So my kits include Pellon Wrap-N-Zap batting, no substitutions whatsoever, and cotton thread for them. The design that I use can fit a small cereal bowl like this. And what you can do is put your soup into the bowl, put your bowl into the cozy, put it all into the microwave, heat it up, and then when you pull it out, you don't burn your fingers. So there's specific instructions put out by Pellon for how to use their batting, and make sure you follow all of their instructions. I'm not liable if you guys mess it up. Don't do it. Read the instructions. Okay, so this was a small cereal bowl, and then this one would be a larger like ramen bowl, and you can also fit that into the cozy. And if you pull this out of the microwave, you won't burn your fingers on this bowl, and you won't be doing the dirty tea towel dance to your couch. Okay, so the kits I have available, I have in lots of colors, including this very popular chicken soup bowl cozy print. But the kits, I have some that were older kits where you can get one soup bowl cozy. They're selling for $12.50 now, but every kit that I'm making now is for two. Because I just found that people didn't want just the one. They wanted two anyway. So you're going to make two cozies. There's going to be two coordinated fabrics in it, one spool of cotton thread, and one set of chopsticks. So when you're sewing your cozy, you have to turn it inside out and you need to poke those corners. So I've included the chopsticks, which you then can use for your ramen noodles. So I have gray and white kits. I have red and white kits. I have taupe. I have black and paisley. And I have this very popular one with the, it's like black and off-white. And what other color do I have here? Nope, that's going to be it for right now. I will be making more of these all the time. And all of these colors I have here, I have multiple fabric cut out for them already. They're just not packaged up in here. And then as far as the tutorial goes, when you flip your kit over, when you get it in the mail, there's a QR code here that you're going to scan and you're going to watch the YouTube tutorial for it. So if you don't want the kit, you can go ahead and watch the video tutorial for it as well right now. I'll have it linked at the end of this video. But you asked for it, so here they are, the soup bowl cozy sewing kits, and I promise you this year we will have even more sewing kits coming in the near future. So that's what it is for today. All right, see you guys in the next video. Have a great night.